Paper Pumpkin Hope Box cards. Here's the first card we're going to make. And you're going to use this kit. Set it aside. Excuse me, you're going to want to adhere the DSP to the white base. Like so. Got this little piece in the kit as well. Just the random back side of another piece. You can go up and down if you'd like, but I went sideways about in the middle. Then you're going to go ahead and score your mint macaron piece. Score that at about 1/4 of an inch. Burnish that fold. There should be a plain white piece in your kit that you're going to adhere onto that fold that you just made. I'm going to go ahead and use some of the liquid glue just so it's a little bit stickier for me. If the white is a little bit smaller than your green, go ahead and cut that off. Trim it down a little bit. I'll get there in a second and I'll show you that. I'm trying to get this glue to stick for me. You can go ahead with your scissors and trim this if you need to. You know, if you want to make sure that it's the same size. But now you've got your own makeshift little card here. And then you're going to go ahead and glue that onto the front of the base. You can use I'll use the liquid glue again. It is a little bit stronger, so if you don't have the liquid glue, don't worry about it. Just use whatever you got, strongest stuff that you got, so that you can make sure it's really going to stay on there. So then just go up to the edge of the DSP and then glue that down. I don't have anything inside, but you could stamp some words inside if you wanted. Okay, I'm going to let that dry. I do have some glue I'm feeling. If you got your glue remover, just run that across and it'll pick up that sticky stuff that you feel. Clear that right off there. Alright, now from your kit, you're going to use this I don't know what you call it, a psychedelic piece. It's a white watercolor. Looks like a watercolor piece. I should have had all my pieces out, but I don't. Sorry. Go ahead and adhere that to the front. Like so. And then in there, I've given you a wreath. Go ahead, I popped mine up. Go ahead and pop it up, or you can layer it flat if it's easier. And then I did stamp on the outside of this piece if you want. Don't have to. The words of hope inside the box work as well, but I had grabbed a random stamp set and put best wishes on there. But you can obviously use the whatever you want, because I didn't stamp it and send it to you. I popped it up, and so I'll just stick it on the front there. I'll put it up toward the top a little bit so I could put some words in there. Then I grabbed a little butterfly from the, let me find the little butterfly packet. There's a strip of butterflies. Just pluck a butterfly and use that. Oh, I might use, I'm going to try a little double layer butterfly on this one. Not sure what those are exactly for. I guess these go over the top of them. I'm going to try one of these. It's not what I did. I just used the outline of the butterfly, but since we've already had class and I've got these left over, all these pieces, that's what I'm doing. And then I'm just cutting a smidge, little tiny piece of dimensional to go along the center of the butterfly. Like so. And I don't have words with me, so I'm not going to stamp for this video to make you wait while I get all that stuff around. So there's card number 1.